Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to English with Afshan. Today we discuss pronoun and kinds of pronoun. Learn English grammar through a story. English with Afshan. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to English with Afshan. Let's begin to our journey into the magical world of pronoun. Imagine if every sentence had to repeat the same noun again and again. Listen to this. Ali is a student. Ali goes to school. Ali studies English. Ali wants to become a teacher. Again and again, just only one word used Ali. Ali is a noun. Sounds boring, right? What if there was a magic word that could replace Ali and make our sentence smoother and smarter? Well, there is. Those magic words are called pronouns. Today we are going to learn pronouns and their types through a fun story that you will never forget. What is pronoun? One day, a grammar town. All the nouns were tired. Ahmed said, "Everyone keeps repeating my name in every sentence." "Why?" Sarah replied, "Yes, we need someone to help us." Suddenly, pronoun arrived and said, "Don't worry, I can't replace nouns and make sentences shorter and better." Definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Examples. Ali is my friend. He is very kind. Sarah is a teacher. She teaches English. The book is new. It is interesting. Ahmed and Ali are friends. They play together. He, she, it, they. All the words used as a pronoun instead of a noun. Cause Ali replaces he, Sarah replaces she. Welcome to Pronoun City. In Pronoun City, there are different families of pronouns. Let's meet them one by one. Family number 1. Personal pronouns. These pronouns represent people, animals, or things. Examples. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Use in sentences. I am learning English. She is my sister. They are playing cricket. Memory trick. Personal pronouns. Answers. Who is doing the action like I, she, they, etc. Family number 2. Possessive pronoun. One day students started arguing. This book is mine. No, that bag is yours. Words like mine and yours show owning. Definition. Possessive pronouns show possession or ownership. Examples. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. All the words used as a possession. Your owner. This pen is mine. That house is theirs. The decision is ours. Memory trick. Ownership. Called possessive pronoun. It's very simple. One day Ahmed looked in a mirror and said, I completed this work myself. The action returned to the same person, called reflexive pronoun, like myself, herself, yourselves. All the words used as a reflexive pronoun. Definition of reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves. Use in sentences. I do my work, my homework, myself. I did my homework myself. She prepared herself for the exam. They enjoyed themselves. Empty trick about reflexive pronouns, self words called reflexive pronouns. Family number 4, demonstrative pronouns. A teacher pointed at objects and said, "This is my book. That is your bag." This and that both are demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns that point to specific persons or things. For example, this, that, these, those, etc. Using sentences, this is my laptop. Those are beautiful flowers. Memory trick. Pointing words called demonstrative pronouns. Family number 5, interrogative pronouns. One day, Detective Grimer was solving a mystery. He kept asking, "Who did it? What happened? Which is yours?" Pronoun used to ask question. For example, who, whom, whose, what, which. Use in sentences. Who is your teacher? What is your name? Which is your book? Who, what, which. Interrogative pronouns. And memory trick. Question words called interrogative pronouns. Family number 6, relative pronouns. These pronouns connect two parts of a sentence. For example, who, whom, whose, which, that. The girl who won the prize is my friend. Who is pronoun. This is the book that I bought yesterday. That is also pronoun. Memory trick. Connecting words called. And family number 7, indefinite pronouns. Sometimes we don't know exactly who or how many people we are talking about. For example, someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, something. Use in sentences. Someone is knocking at the door. Everyone enjoyed the party. Nobody knows the answer. So not specific. Indefinite pronouns. Quick revision table. I, you, he, she called personal pronouns. My, yours, ours called possessive pronouns. Myself and yourself called reflexive pronouns. This, that, these, those called demonstrative pronouns. Who, what, which use interrogative pronouns. Who, which, that called relative pronouns. And someone, anyone indefinite pronouns. Practice time. Identify the type of pronoun. She is my best friend. This is personal pronoun. My best friend. This is my phone. Demonstrative pronoun. This. Who is calling? Interrogative pronoun. Who is? Interrogative. I completed the work myself. Myself is reflexive pronoun. Final revision. A pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Main type of pronouns: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. Remember, pronouns are the superheroes of grammar because they save us from repeating nouns again and again. Now, whenever you read an English sentence, try to find the pronoun hidden inside it. Tell me in the comments What is your favorite pronoun example? Pronouns are the superheroes of grammar because they save from repeating nouns again and again. If you enjoyed today's storytelling lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Afsha. See you in the next exciting grammar lesson. Allah Hafiz.